Why are there not more people talking about the perfect blend of luxury and raw power? Strap in because Audi's latest marvel, the RS4 Avant Edition 25 years, is here to turn heads. Alright folks, hold on to your latte because this isn't just any car, it's a celebration on wheels. Audi's rolling out the red carpet for the 25th anniversary of the RS4 with a model that screams, "Buy me a trophy case." This beast isn't just dressed to impress in the iconic Imola Yellow, but it's got guts. A widened body, a sporty suspension, and a heart-thumping 2.7-liter biturbo 6-cylinder engine that would make even a rocket jealous. And here's the kicker. They're only making 250 of these bad boys. Exclusive much? So if you want to own a piece of history, you better have your phone ready to dial. Starting at a cool 142,905 euros, it's like buying an elite ticket to the fast lane of every highway. So, whether you're dropping the kids off at school or letting loose on the racetrack, the RS4 Avant is your golden ticket. Audi's not just making cars, folks. They're crafting legends. And trust me, you'll want to be in the driver's seat for this ride.